Good evening and welcome to a special report on the Aadin Tech Show. Today, we tackle the most important question facing a professional in India. Is AI going to steal your job? This fear is driven by recent headlines. We are seeing major IT layoffs across the industry. The shift is already happening in development cycles. AI tools are automating the mundane. That's debugging, testing, and generating basic code. The most valuable asset right now is prompt engineering. This is the art of talking to AI, mastering the commands, and directing the machine. But the picture isn't all gloom. The rise of AI is simultaneously creating millions of new, high-value jobs. We're not talking. The real growth is in deep tech. India's national quantum mission and our burgeoning space tech ecosystem need specialists.
Beyond the specific skills, India has a massive structural advantage. Our youth demographic and strengths.
The biggest impact on society is in healthcare. AI is now an indispensable tool for doctors, drastically.
Next, the backbone of India, agriculture. Machine learning is allowing farmers to predict weather patterns, manage water usage.
In the financial world, AI is the new security guard. It monitors millions of UPI transactions every second, instantly.
Finally, AI is reshaping the public sector. It is being deployed in smart city projects to optimize traffic and energy. Underpinning all this growth is the national AI mission. This isn't accidental progress, it's strategic. India is committed to becoming a global leader in AI.